Okay, hello everyone. For this time, I want to show you how to make avocado juice. First, I want to explain you what is the ingredients and equipment. 1. 3 avocado ripe. 2. 3 tablespoons sugar. And 3. 100 milliliters waters. And 4. chocolate milk. And 5. knife and spoon. And then 6. blender. Okay everyone, so we go to the procedure or step to make avocado juice. First, take some of avocado ripe and cut the avocado vertically into half. Twist the fruit so that the pulps get loosened from the pit. Remove the pit with a spoon and scoop out the flesh. Second, put the avocado flesh in a blender. So next, add 3 tablespoons sugar and 100 milliliters of water. Then close the lid of blender and press on button. Wait until 2 minutes. After that, turn off the blender with press off button and open the lid of blender. Finally, pour the avocado juice into glass. Serve avocado juice with a little chocolate milk. If you want to serve it cold, put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Okay, and then serve it chilled and enjoy. Thank you everyone. See you.